darling. We'll be passing the house where I grew up as a little boy.
Okay.
Would you like to see?
Yeah.
Okay. I've shown you before though, haven't I?
You tell me where.
It's just around this next corner there.
It's around this next corner.
Yeah. This is where I grew, became a man.
Okay.
So they tell me.
Okay.
Here, darling. Here.
That's the house where you grew up.
Where I grew up.
Ah.
These were all the neighbours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's where your mama and papa live. All of you.
They originally lived up here in a house up this lane here, basically. Just up that lane there. This used to be a garage, what my dad used to have, and he ended up selling it, and it was sold the building.
Right. A rainy afternoon for you mga palangga. We are out and about. We don't really know where we're going. We're just having a ride out with my handsome husband. He likes that.
This brown one here.
This is your grandma's house?
It was.
Oh.
Yeah. And this was, cause she was Catholic, very religious. This was the church she used to go to.
There you are. Oh, Catholic, yeah, Catholic church.
Yeah.
This is the school. This
was the school, you say?
This is the school where John used to be in.
Yeah.
Have you been a good boy at school?
Always good, darling.
Always good. Tell me anything. We're walking, but it's so foggy. You cannot really see anything. But I like this place here because it's just full of like old houses.
Nice, aren't they?
Very nice. Hello, Han.
Hello.
Where are we?
Well, we're in a secret misty location.
Again?
I'm not telling you where. Somebody's having cake with ice cream, look here. Somebody's having date cake.
This is your favorite?
Oh yeah.
This is John's favorite date cake. Oh, that's so cute. Come on, focus.
Because of,
we're having some coffee and we'll sit over there. There's few people about. They are staring, thinking what she's doing.
Busy yakkering.
Yeah, I'm busy yakkering. We'll go in here.
You do realise your lens will be getting wet?
Yeah.
Won't it? Right, can you do an interview of where you are? Somewhere in this misty location.
I am here. I don't know. Well, it's so foggy anyway, and you cannot see anything.
You can see the seagull, look there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Come here. You have to go 20 feet.
Yeah, there's no point today, darling, because you can't see beyond the sandbank there, look. There's a seagull, look. Look at the speed of the water, look.
Oh yeah.
See? Darling,
yes?
we've really got a problem now, look.
Oh, it's not. No, it's out of focus because it's fogging. No.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah, it's out of focus. Oh, right. Yeah. Look at his face. Look at that. It's not wet. It's just out of focus
Oh,
because
okay.
it's just
Yeah, I get it.
fogging.
Yeah.
It feels like the place is like getting darker. What time is it now, Han?
2:45.
It's 2:45, that's why. So we're just gonna look some shops because there's a big sign in there that it says they are on sale. Oh, that's massive dog. Seashells. We are home. Gosh, it's still drizzly outside. But never mind. And we have something exciting activity going on today, mga palangga. John will cook rice for the first time. He always watched me cooking rice, but he never tried to cook rice or attempt to help me with it. So today we will let him do that. Oh, what did you said?
I said it's not as cute as me.
Really? I am cutting my peppers, mga palangga, and it has a little baby inside.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? Cool, huh?
Cute as John.
Have a look. Look. I think it could be twins,
Oh.
if not triplets.
Are you alright to have a triplets?
No. It's a boy.
It's a boy.
Can you tell?
I am now preparing my ingredients for my chop suey, mga palangga, and I told John that cooking rice today is his responsibility no matter what the outcome is. And here he is. Are you excited?
This is my excited face.
Yeah, you need to try your best.
I don't know.
You know how to cook the rice. You've seen me many times.
I haven't. I've not taken any notice.
Don't give me that. It's the time today
There's no point in ruining
to
the
cook the
tea.
rice. No. You'll be cooking rice today.
That's what she thinks.
You're cooking rice today.
What rice are we using?
Would you like the Japanese? No, don't use the Japanese. Just jasmine rice.
Well, what's wrong with Japanese rice? That's sushi rice.
We got a sushi rice, alright. I think it is a sushi rice because my friend, when we went to her house, she gave me this rice and it's very much similar to sushi rice. Where it is? Here.
I'm cooking rice in the oven.
Did you hear that? That he will cook the rice in the oven? No. This is the rice she gave me. And come on, focus. And it's very similar to sushi rice. Bubuksan ko lang. I will open it up for you. There you go. That's the rice she gave me. It's very similar to the sushi rice, or it can be sushi rice, really. I'm not sure.
Yeah, what we decided to do, because I eat sandwiches every day for my lunch, and I have ham or chicken or something. But you know, we buy the packs of the proper quality ham as such, but it's very expensive. And then the other day I was in the supermarket and I was thinking,
When you? With me?
no, I was alone. You were working. It was for the was it? I don't know when it was. Was it New Year's Eve?
Something like that. Yeah, for New Year's Eve.
Yeah, and I just had to go and get a few bits, and there was no ham, and I'm thinking, well, what am I going to do? So anyway, I decided to buy a gammon joint. So I bought a gammon joint, and it was really nice for the sandwich, so I decided to do it once more. And it works out, this is like 1 kilo, basically. So when that's cooked, it will actually last us for well over a week for all our sandwiches, and if we want to have it as a main course as well, we could do with some jacket potatoes and a few vegetables. So anyway, I'm going to cook one now. It takes 1 hour and 45 minutes.
It's time to cook the rice.
Where's the rice at?
The rice is here. You see? OMG.
We haven't got much rice left. So that's it, that's bacon. We've got these in here. 1 cup. Enough for anybody. Is it 1 cup we do?
2 cups.
2? You green little monkey.
No.
This will just spoil it now because I don't know how to do it. Do you wash it or not?
I do rinse it once. Rinse it.
How do you rinse it?
Just slowly.
Oh,
Slowly.
Look out of it, is it? Right, okay. Now we put more water in again.
Yeah, that's right.
And then we do this magical thing. It's not enough, is it, now?
Level the rice first.
Well, this is where
Yeah, that's it. Level it.
It's there. Is that enough?
Yeah, that's alright.
Do you put salt in it?
No salt.
No pepper?
No. You see? How many years we've been together now?
I'm teasing you. Okay. Now we need to put it on the stove.
Yeah.
Right. It's a bit big, that, is it?
Yeah, that's right. No, that's right.
That's fine, okay. Put the lid on it.
Okay.
Right, okay. Now I put my gas on.
Yeah.
So it's actually electric. And that's it. Forget about it now. We're ready in half an hour.
Hey, you need to monitor your rice.
Do what?
You need to monitor your rice.
I won't monitor
Because
it.
it will boil over.
No. My rice, it's non-boil over rice, though.
You need, this is your responsibility. Remember that.
We've got to watch TV now.
John, your rice is boiling.
Really? What about it?
You're not watching it.
I'm telling you, bulky chops.
It is boiling. What are you doing now?
Oh, that's not. I've reduced the heat.
You need to watch it now.
I'm watching. I'm making chicken adobo as well. I don't know whether you realise this, guys. It's chicken adobo.
Oh dear, John. Look, your eyes. Go on.
Is it boiled over yet? No. Just relax, huh?
Oh dear.
Look at this girl. Do I have to stand here like you stood up now watching this rice when I could be sat relaxing in front of my nice wood burner, watching TV or looking at my phone or reminiscing on how I met you? And then I'm going to stand here watching the rice cooking. The things I have to do to please this girl.
No, you need to learn how to cook rice.
I know how to cook rice. You buy it in a bag and put it in the microwave.
The microwave?
I'm joking. No, I don't eat stuff like that. I only eat the natural, proper Filipino rice. This is my rice cooking, as you can see, doing very nicely. Yes, and this is going to be chicken adobo. As you can see, we use these fine vinegars and soya sauce. We buy these from our local Oriental shop. And this is a rice vinegar, is it, or is it bamboo?
No, sugar cane.
Oh, sugar cane. That was it. Yes, and this is a soya sauce from soya beans, hopefully. Now then, could you?
This pan here is the chop suey.
Chop suey. Okay. What do you reckon to me rice? Is it doing good?
What do you think? No, I don't know.
Well, guys, you can make comments about cooking this rice, whether I'm doing it right or wrong. I think I'm doing it right, personally. We'll find out if it's how brown it is in the bottom of the pan later. Do I need to reduce my heat?
You can slowly.
This is my heat cooking one. I'll reduce it down a little. That's it. I don't want to burn it. Golly, God. That vinegar's so strong, isn't it? Who taught you to make this chicken adobo? Who taught you?
No one really.
Is this not from your grandma's recipe?
No.
No?
No.
Do you not pass recipes down through the generations in the Philippines? Of secret family recipes?
The thing, when I was growing up, I don't have the chance to
I know.
cook.
Because she's got that many sisters,
Yeah.
and they never trusted because she was one of the youngest, and they thought she couldn't cook. I mean, she's taken herself by surprise, the amount of cooking and things she's done. There's not many bubbles coming now, look. Look guys, look, you can see, see it's still doing the biz, but it's looking all sucking the water up, that's lovely. Put my lid on now, it'll cook better, properly. If we've got bubbles, we've got water, haven't we?
Yeah, that's right.
See, we've still got bubbles.
You see a bubble?
No, nothing now, it's virtually finished bubbling. Look guys, it's finished bubbling. So I think I need to turn the heat off now.
Right, okay, you're done.
And then leave it. Now, I'll leave it with the heat on it and it'll just carry on cooking slowly and absorb the rest of whatever moisture is in the bottom, and hopefully I've turned it off soon enough so it doesn't burn the rice in the bottom of the pan. Anyway, the proof will be in my rice cooking shortly with my chop suey, which I can't wait. It's not on the gas properly. It's not gas. Right, that's it. I need to go.
Bye for now.
My job is done here. I've done my bit. I'll prepare the trays.
Okay, then. Tea time! And now we will see the outcome of your
Ricey.
rice.
Oh guys, take a peek. Ready? Look at that. Whoa. Smells just like me's, so I'm sure it must be good. I've had special training though guys, you see. How much would you like?
Just a little. Uh-oh.
Look at that.
A bit more. Just a little bit more. That's it.
Hey, and look in the bottom.
Oh, let me have a look. Hang on. Let me have a look. Oh, perfect. It's not burnt. You done a good job, John.
Hey, no burning in the bottom.
Oh, that's nice. Are you amazed that your rice is successful?
It's perfect.
Oh, now it is perfect. You know how to cook rice. So I think every time we will have rice, you will cook. What do you think?
Very good.
Good. Do you like the chop suey?
Yes, darling. I am
Good.
chop suey. You know this, don't I?